Video is from Success Convent, Melachavil, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to take a lesson for grade 4, subject English, lesson number 2, page number 10 and 11. Name of the lesson is Skipping Shoes. Name of the lesson is Skipping Shoes. Continuation of the lesson. At break time, a girl knocked down the house of corn cobs she had built and made her hungry. She had built and made her hungry. At break time, interval time, the school interval time, a girl knocked down the house of corn cobs. That means building a house in a plant. She had built and made her hungry. She had built and made her hungry. Now I will kick yours down. Now I will kick yours down. Who said this? Kitty said to Dolly. Dolly, up went her foot. So Kitty's foot went up because of magic. But it did not come down. It stayed in the air as if she were going to dance. So she stayed in the air as if she were going to the dance. The children laughed and finally she said to Dolly, who said to Dolly? Kitty said to Dolly, never mind, I will forgive you. So never mind, I will forgive you. Forgive means mannippu. Okay? Mannikkirathu. Then the foot went down and Kitty understood how the shoes work. So then the foot went down and Kitty understood how the shoes were working. So how the shoes were working? The shoes were working with the magic. So they say magic. They were cooperative when she was kind and good. So they were cooperative and when she was kind and good. But stubborn. Stubborn means jittu. Adam pidikkirathu. Okay, very bad. Okay. When she wanted to be naughty, to check this, when one of the boys bounced over the hedge. So one of the boys were playing in the ground, so the hedge of the ground, the ball went to the hedge of the ground. She said kindly, perhaps means in case, meaning is in case, I can get it for you. So the boy name is Willie. At break, at break, B-R-E-A-K, break, time, T-I-M-E, time, comma, a girl, G-I-R-L, girl, knocked, K-N-O-C-K-E-D, knocked, down, D-O-W-N, down, the, T-H-E, the, house, H-O-U-S-E, house, off, O-F, off, corn cobs, C-O-R-N, corn cobs, C-O-B-S, cobs. This is a, in the interval time they build a house in the some small plant. Interval time they build a house. Okay. She, S-H-E, she, had, H-A-D, had, build, B-U-I-L-D, build, and, A-N-D, and, made, M-A-D-E, made, her, H-E-R, her, hungry, A-N-G-R-Y, hungry, full stop. Now, N-O-W, now, comma, I will, apostrophe is L-L means I will, kick, K-I-C-K, kick, yours, Y-O-U-R-S, yours, down, D-O-W-N, down, comma, dolly, D-O-L-L-Y, dolly, up, U-P, up, went, W-E-N-T, went, her, H-E-R, her, foot, F-O-O-T, foot, comma, but, B-U-T, but, it, I-T, it, she, didn't, D-I-D-N, apostrophe T, didn't come, C-O-M-E, come, down, D-O-W-N, down, I-T, it, stayed, S-T-A-Y-E-D, stayed, in, I-N, in, the, T-H-E, the, air, A-I-R, air, as, A-S, as, if, I-F, if, she, S-H-E, she, where, W-E-R-E, where, going, G-O-I-N-G, going, to, T-O, dance, D-A-N-C-E, dance, full stop. The children, T-H-E, the children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, laughed, L-A-U-G-H-E-D, laughed, and and finally, and finally, 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 she, she said, said, to, dolly, dolly. Never mind, or never, mind, mind, comma, I will forgive, forgive, forgive you, forgive means mannippikirathu. Then, and then, comma, the, foot, 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 went, went, down, down, and, and, kitty, kitty, understood, 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 how, how, the, shoes, shoes, worked, worked. They, they, were, were, cooperative, 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 when, when, she, she, was, was, kind, kind, and, good, good, comma, but, but, stubborn, stubborn, when, when, she, she, wanted, wanted, to, be, naughty, naughty, full stop. To check, 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 this, this, comma, when, when, one, off, the, the, boys, boys, bounced, bounced, over, over, the, the, hedge, hedge, comma, she, she, said, said, kindly, kindly, perhaps, perhaps means in case, I can, can, get, get, it, for, you, you, comma, Willie, Willie. At break time, a girl knocked down the house of corn cobs. She had built and made her hungry. Now I will kick yours down. Dolly. Up went her foot, but it didn't come down. It stayed in the air and as if she were going to dance. The children laughed and finally she said to Dolly, never mind, I will forgive you. Then the foot went down and Kitty understood how the shoes worked. They were cooperative when she was kind and good, but stubborn when she wanted to be naughty. To check this, when one of the boys bounced over the hedge, she said, kindly, perhaps I can get it for you, Willie. Okay, today's homework, this page number 10 and 11. You have to write neatly for one time and reading 2 times. Thank you.